Howdy, I'm Gator Conley.
My name is Jessie Mapes.
My name's Norman Tucker.
I'm Barry Corbin.
Maybe you remember me from the movie Urban Cowboy where I won the dance contest. Or maybe all them years I worked around Gilleys Club.
You might remember me from the movie Urban Cowboy. I played Jessie, Sissy's best friend.
I won the punching bag contest in the Urban Cowboy movie.
I played Uncle Bob in Urban Cowboy a few years ago.
We're fixing to have the largest Urban Cowboy reunion since the premiere of the movie, right down in the Galveston Convention Center.
I'd like to welcome everybody out to the big Urban Cowboy party.
We are celebrating 50 years of Gilleys next year in January.
We're going to have Mickey Gilley,
Johnny Lee,
Barry Corbin,
Gator, Norman, myself,
and many others. We hope to see you there.
Y'all get ready, get dialed up, come on out.
we look forward to meeting y'all.
we're going to have a big time. A bunch of us from Urban Cowboy are going to be there.